Hello and welcome to Got Clutter, Get Organized, the conversation. My name is Janet Taylor. I am excited to be here with you today. And today it's just going to be you and me. And I'm excited because we're going to be talking about the future of home organization beyond those traditional methods. And of course, we're going to dive right in because today we're going to be talking about a new product that I discovered that I'm excited about, and it is Smart Labels. That's right, Smart Labels, because, you know, these are not the traditional labels, because in a world where technology touches like every aspect of our lives, why should we be stuck in the past? So just imagine for a moment labels that aren't just labels but gateways to a clutter-free life. Can we just pause right there? Can you just imagine that? And smart labels are exactly that because they come with QR codes. Let me just show you one of the labels that you can scan and with a mobile app, and organizing anything from your craft supplies to baby clothes has never been easy. And that is why I'm excited about this. So, first of all, you're going to manage it from the mobile device, whether it's a smartphone or tablet, because you can do it just from the palm of your hand. And it's the most powerful organizing tool that we have. So, with the Smart Label app, and it's available on iPhone as well as Android, you can track and manage labels from anywhere, anytime. You just add photos, you add your name, descriptions for each item in the box or the container, and it makes it a breeze to know what, where, and how you can find it easily. And you can always refine your system from the comfort of your sofa. So just imagine, maybe you're looking for something specific, that specific item, maybe that specific dish that you stored either in the attic, the basement, or your storage unit, and you need it. Well, you know what? You can find it so easily with the app from the comfort of your sofa. And even you might be out of town and thinking, oh my goodness, when I go back home, I need to find X, Y, and Z. So just think about that. And of course, sometimes when we talk about inventory, we think big and scary and it's reserved just for warehouses. No, with smart labels, each label, and I'm going to show you the labels again, has a unique number, as you can see right here. And it's a unique identifier that helps you digitally organize your entire catalog of containers so you can say goodbye to the stress of just trying to track everything. And you'll be able to store, organize, and find anything in a matter of minutes. So, first of all, I need to show you these are color coded labels. Look at all these beautiful colors. So, again, basically, you get the app and you download it on your phone. Then you label the box. Then the next thing you do is you put all the contents of what's in that particular label. So you see the numbers in the box. You scan it. And then for each box, you just kind of add those descriptions in. The name, what's in it, add some photos, etc. And that's how you can find things so easy. And of course, this is where it gets kind of, you know, wonderful. You tell the app what you're storing and where, and then finding it later is as simple as a search. And we all know how to use that search bar, don't we? And the app tells you exactly where you put the container. So no trying to figure out, wait a minute, did I put it in the attic or is it in the garage? And of course, as you saw, the labels are colored. They have a little identifier. It's really like having your own little map, of where everything is. It's having our own chart where everything is. And again, it is in this wonderful device that we already have and we always use. So not only is it good for just storing things, but think about moving, because moving can be stressful. So smart labels are about to become your next best friend when it comes to moving. because they are part of an essential packing supplies to tell you exactly what's in each box, making moving less daunting a task. I mean, think about the times you've moved and you're so excited. The moving trucks have come, or family and friends have come, and the boxes start going from the old place to the new place. And you're excited, but then all of a sudden you're just surrounded by a mountain of boxes. You feel like you're just kind of trapped like that mouse in a maze, but no more opening 10 boxes just to find something maybe like your winter coat or even sometimes just those cooking utensils. So, as I wrap up this very short episode, but I definitely want to make sure that you think about how smart labels could transform your home, your move, or actually your life. It's not just about organizing, it's about really simplifying so we don't have more time. We have more time really to focus on what truly matters. So, again, I'm going to show you how beautiful they are and all the beautiful colors. And of course, again, you download the app, you label the box, you scan it. You put the contents in, pictures, descriptions, whatever you want, and then finding things is so much easier. So make sure you click the link below for more details, but to order your set of labels. Again, to just simplify your life. So I truly want to thank you for tuning in to this episode of Got Clutter, Get Organized, where I share you know, home organizing beyond the traditional. So until next time, I want you to have a clutter-free day. And most of all, you have an organized week. And of course, those of you listening via audio, make sure you continue to listen to the rest of the episode because I've got some more tips in store for you.